Hello, this is Roman Ansari, and in this video we will talk about 5 MCQ questions from Python programming language. So let's start. The first question is, who developed Python programming language? The first option is Wick van Rossum. Option B, Rasmus Lardorf. Option C, Guido van Rossum. And number D, Nanny Storm. Correct option is option C. Python programming language is designed by a Dutch programmer, Guido van Rossum, in the Netherlands. Question 2. Which type of programming does Python support? Option A, object-oriented programming. Option B, structured programming. Option C, functional programming. Option D, all of the mentioned. The correct answer is option D. Python is an interpreted programming language which supports object-oriented, structured, and functional programming. Question 3. Is Python case-sensitive when dealing with identifiers? Option A, no. Option B, yes. Option C, machine-dependent. Option D, none of the mentioned. Correct answer is option B. Python is a case-sensitive language, that is, it treats uppercase and lowercase character differently. This applies to identifiers too. That is why it is necessary for you to avoid using the same name with different case while naming identifiers. It is always good to use names that are more easily understood. Question 4. Which of the following is the correct extension of the Python file? Option A, .python. Option B, .pl. Option C, .py. Option D, .p. The correct answer is option C, .py. .py is the correct extension of the Python file. Python program can be written in any text editor. To save these programs, we need to save in files file extension .py. Question number 5. Is Python code compiled or interpreted? Option A, Python code is both compiled and interpreted. Option B, Python code is neither compiled nor interpreted. Option C, Python code is only compiled. Option D, Python code is only interpreted. So pause the video and try to think what should be the correct answer. The correct answer is option A. Many languages have been implemented using both compilers and interpreters, including C, Pascal, and Python. For more explanation, you can see these lines or this explanation. So I'll read it for you. In various books of Python programming, it is mentioned that Python language is interpreted, but that is half correct. The Python program is first compiled and then interpreted. The compilation part is hidden from the programmer. Thus many programmers believe that it is an interpreted language. The compilation part is done first when we execute our code, and this will generate bytecode, and internally this bytecode gets converted by the Python virtual machine, that is PVM, according to the underlying platform. Now the question is, if there is any proof that Python first compiles the program internally and then run the code via interpreter. The answer is yes. And note, this compile part is get deleted by the Python as soon as you execute your code. Just it does not want programmer to get into complexity. So that's it for the video. In the next video, we'll see more MCQ questions. Take care and bye bye.